am inside my car right now, and I am about to try out this portable handheld vacuum cleaner. It's really pretty, isn't it, for a vacuum cleaner? It's got a great color to it. But I've already fully charged it, so it should be all set. I'm going to turn around the camera and let's see how it does. All right, here we go. I intentionally have not vacuumed my car, and I've got my 2 kids, and I'm always picking up my other nephew and niece from school. So this car I usually vacuum at least once a week. So this is going to come in real handy. Let's see how it does. Wow, not bad at all, actually. Pretty good. Especially for just a portable handheld. It's better than going to a car wash and using the vacuum. And hey, I did not realize this, but it has a little flashlight that came on when I turned it on. Pretty cool. I guess if you need to do some vacuuming in the dark, that's going to come in handy. All right, let me put on one of the attachments and we'll do some more. All right, so here we go. I put on this attachment here. I thought this might be the best attachment to clean around the cup holder area. So I have put on this attachment here, and this is probably good for surfaces like your dashboard, so you're not going to scratch it up. So let's try it out. I know you probably couldn't see too much of it, but I also got the vents right here, and this attachment was really good for that too, trying to get inside the vents and things. But it really did help trying to use it for the dashboard, because that way you're not scratching it up and you can get a little bit closer to it too. Alright guys, so I put this attachment back on because now I'm going to do the floor mats. I hope you enjoyed the demonstration. Overall, I think it did a really good job. Now, again, if you need a deeper clean, of course, I think those vacuums that you find at the car washes, those are a lot more powerful and can probably do a better job on bigger messes. But overall, for little messes that, let's say, if your son, your daughter, niece, nephew decides to drop a pile of goldfish all over the back seat of your car, or some crackers that are squished into the car seat, I think this little thing is definitely nice to have around to clean up those little messes, especially if it's just something quick and small. But I think it did a good job, and I'm going to keep this in the car just in case. Especially, I have 2 little boys that like to make messes on a daily basis, and I feel like I'm always vacuuming. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have a great day.